Today we are unboxing December's Daily High Club edition. It's Chong Choice Daily High Club. Alright, we got a mini grinder in there. We got this Cheech and Chong thing. I'm not really sure how to use this, but it is a rolling tray and it probably works. I'll figure it out, you know. I actually think I got it. Me and my mom were messing with it last night. But I don't got enough hands. Needless to say, it does fold. It works. We got the OG Kush wraps. Rolls up to 4. That'll be good. We got this air freshener. That'll be good. I'm gonna set that up after this video ends. We got 2 slaps. We got papers. Zen effing papers. Probably good tasting papers. We got a cone. And a doob tube. Doob tube, medical paper. Cone. Hold on. Gotta pick up the cone. Cone. Alright. That is all from the Peaceful Cool channel. Hope y'all have a peaceful day. See y'all next time. I will have my own phone next time. Remember that. Own phone. So videos will be happening more often. Alright. Love y'all. Have a good day. Alright. Bye.